Okay, now that we got the pulled pork all done and I washed it, which do not wash this in the dishwasher, is not dishwasher safe, and make sure you do not use any like wool, steel wool or anything that's those scorchy scrubbers to wash this by hand, because you don't want to mess up the inside and scratch it all up. And because that won't be covered by warranty. That's out of just your own, as they say, negligence. But make sure it is cooled off first before you try to heat to wash it, because it is pretty hot still. That's just usually common sense. So now that we've done this, we're going to make some frozen French fries. Now get this. Normally you probably want to put oil in it and things like that. Well, we won't need oil. So I've never done it with French fries before, so we're going to see what it is like, and we're going to put it in 5-minute increments to figure out how long it would actually cook to make French fries in the MicroPro grill, using the grill method now. Alright, so here it is, and I'm going to pour some French fries in here, just any other brand that you like of your frozen French fries. You could make fresh if you have the mandolin, but I didn't want to mess with mandolin today. But you can do fresh potatoes if you have the mandolin to cut up your French fries. So try to put everything in the middle here. All right. I might put too many in here, but I'm gonna make it work. All right. Alright, so now that I've got my French fries in there, I'm going to put it into the grill mode, so it goes all the way on it. Okay. Like so. And we're going to set it in the microwave for 5 minutes. See you in 5. Okay, so it took actually 10 minutes. Now if you want to go a little longer, you could. But I just tested one, and it's actually cooked. Hot. Hot. So yeah, 10 minutes, that's done. If you want it a little bit more crispier, you'd probably go another, possibly 5 more minutes, making it a grand total of 15 minutes. But other than that, looks good. Till next time, time to eat.